New York lawmakers meeting in an emergency session in Albany. They're preparing to pass legislation to lessen the impact of the Supreme Court ruling overturning the state's concealed gun carry laws.
CBS 2 political reporter Marcia Kramer says the bill would ban weapons in many public places.
Subways and mass transit are on the no guns allowed list, and so are a laundry list of other locations.
Places where children gather, schools, colleges, universities, houses of worship, polling places, government buildings, nursing homes, hospitals.
Charles Levine, chair of the Assembly Judiciary Committee, ticking off a partial list of places where under New York's new gun bill, weapons will be strictly prohibited.
We want to make sure people are protected from folks walking around with guns strapped to their hips.
Called back to Albany by Governor Hochul after the Supreme Court overturned New York's centuries-old gun permit law, the Senate and Assembly are preparing to pass an omnibus bill that will also tighten permitting by requiring 15 hours of gun range training, bar gun permits for people with a history of dangerous behavior, require background checks for ammunition purchases, update gun storage laws so guns transported by car must be in a lockbox, and prevent people from bringing guns into bars, restaurants, and business establishments unless there is a sign that says, "Concealed guns are welcome."
We're doing all we can do within the confines of this horrible Supreme Court decision that has limited our ability to restrict concealed weapons.
The goal of the governor and lawmakers is to come up with as many restrictions as possible, and also that they pass constitutional muster.
I assume whatever we do will be subject to a lawsuit. We feel very confident about the direction we're going, but I got to tell you, Marcia, with this Supreme Court, it's anybody's guess. They're destroying this country one decision at a time.
Republican lawmakers are expected to oppose the measure, but the Democrats have supermajorities in the Assembly and the Senate. Meanwhile, lawmakers are also trying to deal with the Supreme Court abortion ruling, working on an amendment that would enshrine the right to an abortion in the New York State Constitution. In the newsroom, I'm Marcia Kramer, CBS 2 News.